Hi guys, it's Charles here with Charles Harrison Music. Another legato lick for you today. As always, tab and score can be found in the description box below. Let's hear it. We're basically playing a 2-5-1 in D major here, using the George Garsed random triadic approach, which if you don't know about, check out my last video up here or up here, who knows. Quick breakdown of what's going on here. We start with an E diminished triad, and then we're sliding down a semitone starting on the next string. So we're getting A, D, F sharp, so that's our D major, E diminished, or it's really going to be an E minor 7 flat 5, but to D major, sliding down a semitone, diminished, down a semitone, up a diminished, down a semitone, down a fourth, down a semitone, resolving. Playing them as a chord at the end there because it sounds groovy. Hopefully you like that one, guys. Please do press the button if you did and subscribe. Check out my blog for the free music, free sheet music here somewhere. Please do leave any requests that you'd like to see, guys. Let me know what you like and what you don't like about my videos, because I'm always hoping to improve these and make sure that I'm giving you guys the best information that I possibly can. So let me know, let's keep in touch, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.